Hello guys, and welcome to Soft Photoshop Action tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use this section, and first thing I would like to do is to show you what will you get from this section. So here we have some examples of pictures that are product of this section. So let me just show you real quick. So you can get results like this on this picture and these other. So those are results you will get from this section. So let me just quickly explain what you will need to do first in order for this section to work. So make sure that your Photoshop is English version in order for this section to work. So to check that, go to Edit, Preferences, and click on Interface and check it's set to English right here. After that, go to Image Mode, set on RGB color and set 8 bits channel. After that, go to layers panel, click here and click on panel options. Make sure that this one here is checked, and also now I need to mention note that you will need to use high quality pictures with greater pixel size. So if you have a smaller picture, go to image size and just increase the resolution. As you can see here, this is your high quality picture. So if you have a picture this size, action should work properly. So now we need to load the action in order to start. So go to Window, click on Actions. So I'm going to show you how to load it. So when this panel opens, click on this box here and click on Load Actions and go to your action folder called Soft Photoshop Action and click on Soft ATM file here and click Load. After that, open this soft folder in Actions panel and open this again. So it's now set, and you will need to load the brushes for this section to work. So click on Brush and make sure opacity is set to 100 and flow is also set to 100. So now you will need to load the actions. To load brushes, go to this arrow right here, click on this box here and click on Load Brushes, and then go to Action folder and click on Soft Action Brushes and click Load here. So the brushes will appear. So now it's ready for action to start. You will need to brush your model first and then start your action. Also, I need to know that you will need to have a picture loaded like this with this background written in italic and this lock here, and if it's like this, just go to Layer, New Background from Layer. Now create a new layer and name it Brush with no caps. This is very important for action to work. So name it like this, Brush, and now you will need to brush your model. So you can brush it or you can quick select it and fill it with color. So I'm gonna do that. select your model. So when you finish selecting your model, if you have some gaps in model like this, just hold down left alt key and just deselect that part. So when you fully select your model, click on brush layer and fill it up with background color by holding down left control plus delete. So just make sure that you select everything. If you not select everything, just go and select it again like this. And that will be it. So fill it again, same step, same process. So now when you fully select your model, just go to your action panel and click play and wait for action to finish. So action is finished, and now I'm gonna show you how to edit it. So let me just close this here, and to quickly close down all the folders that action created, just hold down left alt key and press on these arrows of main folders like this. Just open and close it just to make sure that everything's collapsed. And just remember, you need to hold down left alt while doing this. So now I'm gonna explain what every folder does. So first folder is color options. So you have 5 color pre-made options. So let me just show you what they look like. So as you can see, some color options. Next folder is main adjustments. So that's just some adjustments to picture to increase contrast. Next folder is elements in front of model. So you have vignettes, which is a soft white corner, kind of light. Next is model border white. So as you can see, it's kind of a border glow. And then comes the dust in front. As you can see, it's just like kind of a sand or dust or something. Next is model and model elements. So here's your model, and here is the bottom glow, as you can see when I hide it. Next folder is elements behind model. Sorry. Here is dust behind model, smoke, and light behind model, as you can see, and you can hide every layer as you want. Next is background elements. The first one is a background that is blurry, as you can see, and if you want to brush out some blurred parts, you can do that by selecting a soft brush, selecting a black foreground color, and just brush it out. So it will be that part will be not blurred. So you can also hide default background and have a background with solid color or with a gradient like this. For this time we're gonna stick to default background. So I'm gonna show you how to edit it. First thing we'll need to do is to brush out these rough edges around model. So select model, select this layer mask, and select a soft brush. brush out these edges, as you can see, as I'm doing. Maybe here, just like this. And that's pretty much it. So now we will change color of these lights behind around model. So go to model border right. As you can see, you have a gradient color, or you can choose a solid color. Just click on this eye box here. So we're gonna stick to this gradient one. So we're gonna make our gradient, so it will be reddish and greenish color. So you can create a new gradient by clicking on this new button here, so you can use it later on other layers. So we done that with that. Sorry. And click on dust in front. So you have a upper layer which is white, and a blurry layer which you can change the gradient. So I'm going to select this again. As you can see, it changes the dust color. So next thing, we're gonna change this bottom model glow. So we're gonna choose color that matches some soft color. Here it is. Okay, now we're gonna change up the, as you can see, the dust behind model has a by default a solid color, so we can change it up. As you can see, it changes up, but we're gonna make it gradient, but we're gonna make this one here white. So that's done. So gonna change up the smoke, also this gradient, and also right behind model. Which we can also use a soft one like this, or we can use a gradient. So we'll see which is better. We will stick to that, to this solid color. So that's pretty much it. What you can edit, you can hide some layers that you don't like, or you can brush out parts that you don't like. You can hide this bottom glow, as you can see, or you can brush out the dust, or you can hide it, and that's pretty much it. So and now you can use one of the color presets to more enhance your picture. So maybe use this one, and you can create awesome pictures with it. So that's pretty much it. We are done. So go support my work, download this section. You have a link in description of this video, so support my work. Follow me on Graphic River, watch my other action tutorials, maybe send me a picture if you create something with this section, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for another upcoming tutorials and other actions. So that's it. Thanks for your patience again, for watching, and peace out.